Stop being quiet. Hello guys, today we got this legacy ice cream. I wanted to get this today. I knew this was released, so that's why I knew I had to. Look at this, what happened, and it's a little bit noisy. So yeah, what happened? This looks like Gary's eyes, you know, from SpongeBob. What happened to the head? What? This is this. What? What? Oh, look at this. Look at this. This, look at. This is just wrong. Should I turn on the light? Okay, yeah, it's not working. Oh my gosh. I wonder what flavor the gray is. I'm going to eat it. So, the flavors are cherry, orange, and mixed berry flavors. So, guys, it's so cool. I like this ice cream. Awesome, because like Space Jam and New Legacy, it's just a good movie. So, go check out Space Jam and New Legacy.